Greetings of the day to all.
I am Divyanshita, substandard 8.
I am Sai Priyanshi, Mr. of Standard 7. Today we are going to explain our project, that is all-in-one solution from seed to crop, on the theme Sustainable Agriculture. Vikshit Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat are the two visionary national goals of India, where agriculture plays a vital role to achieve the most wanted goal of Vikshit Bharat. In today's era, agriculture faces multiple challenges. To overcome these problems, our project offers all-in-one solution that includes, first one is healthy seed selection. Here we have taken water in a bowl. Now add 1 teaspoon of the salt. Now put some wheat seeds. We will observe that the healthy seeds will sink and the unhealthy seeds will float. Now separate these healthy seeds for plantation. Second one is soil management. Here we can observe that the growth of the plant in pot B is more than pot A and C because it has the organic compost.
Third is smart irrigation system. Here, the water is irrigated when automatically and stops without any manual effort. Fourth one is eco-friendly crop protection system. Here we can protect our crops from insects by using yellow sticky trap, and by using the smart scarecrow we can remove the birds. Along with that, the sustainable fencing system will help us to protect the crops from animals and alerting the farmers. The most vital situation is when the crops are damaged due to heavy rainfall at the time of ripened stage. We can overcome this problem by using hydrogen system, and this had happened in the last year in Odisha. And we can also protect our crops from rain and snow by using solar dryer system.
Fifth one is temperature control storage unit. In most of the Indian states, there are limited cold storage units and they depend upon other states. Our project offers an user-friendly temperature control storage unit which will balance the room temperature and keep the crop fresh throughout the year. Now let us set the temperature of the crops, that is 26.1. We will observe that if the temperature of the room will increase, then the exhausted fan will warm automatically and will balance the room temperature as required. AI is the most vital part of our project. This is a multilinguistic approach which the farmer can use to ask any question and get the answer. Here we have asked the question, what is the pest control for coconut tree? And the answer we had got is to identify pests, check under leaves.